Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today I'm going to unlock the magic of slivered potatoes with white onion and Lancashire cheese. Now let's dive straight in, shall we? First, let's set the scene. Imagine a Sunday afternoon in the heart of Lancashire. The kitchen is filled with the aroma of slow-cooked dishes and the family eagerly waiting for the main event. The star of the show, slivered potatoes paired with the rich, creamy goodness of Lancashire cheese. Now, slivering potatoes might sound fancy, but it's as simple as can be. Grab your peeler and a sharp knife. Peel those potatoes and then, with a bit of finesse, slice them thinly. Think paper thin, nearly translucent. Next, the white onion. The humble onion. It adds a sweet, savoury note that elevates this dish. Slice it just as thinly as the potatoes. Trust me, the magic happens in the thinness. Now for the piece de resistance Lancashire cheese. This cheese is creamy and slightly tangy, with a crumbly texture that just melts in your mouth. Perfect for our dish, and grate a generous amount. Don't be shy with it, the more the merrier. Layering is key here. In a baking dish, start with a layer of slivered potatoes, followed by a sprinkling of onion, then a handful of grated Lancashire cheese. Repeat this process until you've used up all your ingredients. Think of it like building a lasagna, but even better. Pour over a little cream to bind everything together. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for that extra warmth. Pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 or 45 minutes. And while it's baking, let me tell you why this dish is so special. Lancashire cheese has a history that dates back to the 13th century. It's a cheese that's been perfected over generations, and it pairs beautifully with the earthiness of potatoes. Imagine pulling that dish out of the oven, golden and bubbling. The smell is intoxicating, a blend of creamy cheese and roasted potatoes with a hint of sweet onion. You take that first bite. The texture is sublime. The potatoes are tender with a slight bite. The cheese is gooey and rich, and the onions add just the right amount of sweetness. This dish is comfort on a plate, perfect for a family dinner or any special occasion. So next time you're in the mood for something hearty and delicious, give this recipe a try. I promise it'll become a firm favourite in your household. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more mouth-watering recipes. See you in the next video.